Welcome back to Vandemic Campervans. I'm Rick. We're here with our latest build. It's a 159 Highroof Promaster. It's a client build. Stick around to the end. It's a new layout. We need a little help with something, and I want to ask you to help out. Starting in the kitchen, we have our overhead pantry cabinet, paper towel holder, and our built-in spice racks. Below those, you'll find your switch to the water pump, which allows a nice consistent stream of water into your deep bar sink with a pull-down faucet. Also, you have the release button to your 10-gallon undermounted gray water tank. To the left of the sink, you'll have some counter space, and this client chose a 2-burner induction and Pava stove. And below that is a big cutlery drawer for all your utensils, and a Vandemic staple, the Isotherm 85 fridge, which is a 3 cubic foot fridge. Some French doors lead us under the sink where you'll find ample storage, a Blue Technologies water filter, and the on and off switch to the 12-volt water heater, a must-have for van life. Opposite the kitchen is additional counter space with 4 storage drawers. Rounding out the kitchen is the flip-up extension for even more counter space, but also a great work area. We add swivels to both bucket seats to really open up the space. The living room has 3 overhead cabinets built with a lot of thought to increase interior headspace but not jeopardize storage space. A true home on wheels feel is important to us. These pull-down blackout shades really help bring home on the road. It also addresses this nice big AMA slider window perfectly. We are really excited how this new layout turned out. Now you'll have a bathroom break with a view. This design houses this compo closet Cuddy Light composting toilet perfectly. This layout creates an openness that makes access and control super easy. Light switches, USBs, the inverter control, battery monitor, and thermostat for the S-bar heater are all reachable by everyone. The bright bedroom is fitted with a short queen 6-inch memory foam mattress. Two reading lights with 2 different modes are included. The 2 largest overhead cabinets are located in the bedroom. And of course the signature Vandemic cubby off the back of the bed. Two Max Air fans are a staple in almost all of our builds due to their incredible versatility and also climate control. The garage has a third zone of lights, shore power inlet, and as you can see, we will add a hitch to your build. Off the back of the van is your heated shower, your water inlet for the 30-gallon tank, and a viewing area to see how topped off you are. In front of the water tank is the 12-volt water heater. Again, we can't stress how nice it is to have hot water in a van. A big 3000 watt Ames inverter allows some comfort in running your appliances and or charging your computer. You can travel with ease with the Victron battery to battery and solar charger. Also here is a cell booster. And this client opted for a whopping 600 amp hours of lithium. We added a flat line van company roof rack and ladder, which helps with the incredible Colorado views, but also to house 400 watts of solar. This van was equipped with a nice Fiamma F45 awning as well. Rounding out this amazing van are some running boards that hopefully add some years to the legs with all the traveling you're going to end up doing. Thank you so much for making it all the way to the end. We really appreciate it. Do yourselves a favor, give us a thumbs up for making it all the way through. And as I mentioned in the beginning, we do need some help. As you notice, this is a new layout. We need help with a name for it. We've run out of our own pets' names to actually name it, our layouts after, and so we're asking for some help. So if you can, in the comments below, drop a name of what you would love to have as this layout name. We're gonna pick a winner and reach out to you and send you a little surprise.